Hello, everyone. This is Edna J. White, and as you know, I am the editor and the creator of Speak Magazine, where we promote and we brag about our authors, poets, and artists. So I have a special guest that was supposed to be on our show today, Moody to Wonderful and Keeping It Real, but he had a problem with his audio, and he is a new author, and I wanted to share him with you on our Brag Time TV for our authors. So anyone that knows him, please chime in, subscribe, because I think that he has a lot to say and add to the world. So I'm going to share him through video. Okay, so give me a moment to share my screen, and I'm going to share him with you. So this is who I am sharing, and I will play that for you. And I think, here we go. I think it works. I think.
Life experiences of people beyond the past, life experiences of people who do not know exactly what led them to where they were. And sometimes somehow understand the gravity of this. Yeah, what we have faced. Who is it about the life experiences of someone who faced ordinary someone should face in life? So that is just particularly at school there are so many things. Apart from the tale of the prison inmates, there are so many intriguing episodes and parts in the book that reviews parental guidance when it comes to issue of education, the impact and the value of having beautiful legacies laid down by parents and the impact of youth in every society we belong. So the book is just never about it's not just being about it's not just being about it's not just a fiction. It's just actually a fiction that speaks about so many lessons. I'm going to play the book for you. Read it and you should once again, my name is Adeniyi Segun Alexandra. Let's
Isn't that so good? That was really good. Of course, I am doing it wrong, but wasn't that really good? You know, I think he's headed to a great career as a speaker. I am going to put his book in the comments section so that you can purchase the book from him and read all about what he has to say about prison life and community altogether. I'm sure we all can learn something from someone else. This is Edna J. White signing off. Brag time is over.